I woke up feeling like this gon' be my day.
Hi, it's Lana from 3 Birds Renovations. I'm in our latest project and I'm going to give you a tour. It's a large family home with loads of space for kids and guests to come over. So let's start with a tour of the main kitchen.
Got a real good feeling, got a real good feeling, like there is lightning deep in my bones.
Now let me show you this wall first because there's something pretty big on here which you can all see, which is the Electrolux fridge and freezer combo. We've got the freezer on the left, which is fantastic, lots of ice cream in summer, and we've got the fridge on the right. And the great thing about this is the stainless steel is actually mark resistant, so it keeps it looking better for longer without all those fingerprints. And inside the fridge, it's got these smooth telescopic runners with the crisper, which means you can reach items right at the back with ease, so no more surprise veggies that have turned bad.
Got a real good feeling, got a real good feeling, like there is lightning deep in my bones.
And over behind these clever cupboards, which our cabinet maker made, we have got the Electrolux double oven. So you can see it's a great way if you don't want to have your ovens on display, you can just pop them behind these doors, but make sure you know to always leave the doors open when it's on or while it's still hot. The bake and steam function on this oven uses a touch of steam to create a richer and glossier colour, a crispier crust and soft, delicious texture for your home-baked goodies. It also has a smart food probe that alerts you when your food has reached the desired temperature and turns the oven off for you.
Got a real good feeling.
So moving into the heart of the kitchen now, we've got this big island bench. And the choice of the Electrolux induction cooktop here was really key because we wanted to make sure that we could face our guests and have it more of an interactive experience while we're cooking. And you might notice we don't have a range hood here, but we don't need to. We've got incredibly high ceilings and a huge natural range hood just behind me here. And finally, the customizable functions are really great. It has something called chef mode, which means you can choose between different preset heated zones by simply sliding your pan across the cooktop. What I also love about this cooktop is the extra large maxi zone. It means you can use large pots and pans like a professional chef. And behind the cooktop, we've got the sink with really nice access to the outdoors, which is always lovely. And right next to the sink, our Electrolux dishwasher, which we've got fully integrated here. It is such a fantastic dishwasher, this one, I absolutely love it. A great feature of this dishwasher is the flexi lift. So if you've got something tall you want to put on the bottom rack, you know sometimes you're like, oh, it's not going to fit, you just pop it up and it's now giving you more space on the bottom rack and then you can just pop it down. How amazing is that?
Got a real good feeling.
And if you're anything like me, I often don't know if my dishwasher's actually on. So I have to sort of pull at it and realize, oh gosh, no, it's running. The great thing here is that this Electrolux dishwasher has already thought of that challenge and it has a little red light down here to let you know the dishwasher is on.
Right now, right now. Oh, I got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Yeah.
So I'm here at the pool house. It's a really lovely sized pool house, actually the size of almost like a little mini house, and it's fully decked out with all the amenities and appliances you would need to live here. It all starts with the fridge, really nice and accessible here, the Electrolux fridge, and we've got the big side door, and you'll notice that these are different size doors, and that's so that when you've got a big clutter, you can easily get it in one side without having to open both. What I love about having this fridge in the pool house is that it has a Flex Fresh fully convertible entertainer's drawer, which lets you dial up or down the cold air from minus 23 degrees Celsius to plus 7 degrees Celsius. This fridge has space for it all at the perfect temperature. We have another dishwasher here in the pool house, which is such a luxury, not having to carry the dishes back to the main house after a party. This one isn't integrated. The cabinetry just didn't really call for it, but it is in the dark stainless steel to match the fridge. But what I love most about this particular dishwasher is the comfort lift. Have a look at this. You can lift the bottom basket up to this height so you're not bending too low to load and unload the dishwasher. And then when you're ready, put it back down. So easy, it's very gentle, it still cares for your plates. How good's that? And last but not least, we've got the Euro laundry. If behind the doors here, which is fantastic to have down here. You know, you can get the pool towels and mess straight into here, hang it out in the yard, it's good to go, or use the dryer. So there you have it. We chose Electrolux because of their great range, their cutting edge technology, intuitive and sleek design. Why don't you check them out today?
I got a real good feeling.